Welcome back to Plant 3D Virtual Factory. In this video, we will learn how to customize isometric drawings by editing the title block and adjusting the display settings. This will help you create professional and project-specific ISO outputs. Type tool palettes in the command line and simply select the parts you need. I almost finished drawing a small example pipeline. Let's add just a few clamp supports and a valve so our isometric drawing looks more realistic. Our line is finished, so let's generate a production ISO. I notice the line isn't named, and without a line number, there's nothing to select. Let's assign a name to the line and then repeat the ISO generation. Now let's select the ISO style. I usually go with Final A2. The final means it's the finished version, and A2 refers to the paper size. In the advanced options, I select the congestion level. This setting controls how many pages the ISO drawing will be split into. I prefer keeping more elements on a single sheet, so I usually set the congestion level higher. And the main purpose of this video is to show how to change this blue default title block table in the ISO settings. Go to Home, Project Manager, then Project Setup, and open Isometric Drawing Setup. Here you'll find plenty of parameters you can adjust. Personally, I mainly use it for correcting the congestion level, as I showed you earlier, and for modifying the title block to match my project needs. If you're new to Plant 3D, there's really no need to change these parameters right away. The default settings are already quite good and will work fine for most beginners. And this is where our title block template is located. Check the isometric style name. In this case, it's Final A2. Then simply select the option to change the title block. These elements define how our ISO drawing will look. The green field is the area where the isometric drawing can be placed, while the red box marks the reserved space for the title block table. We can stretch these areas to make them bigger or smaller, depending on our needs. The title block table is actually stored as a block, so we can simply edit it by opening the block and working inside it. Personally, I don't use this large default table, so I'll delete it. Instead, I'll copy in my own custom table together with its frame. Don't forget to save your changes. Let's stretch the isometric drawing space a little bit to give our layout more room. Don't forget to apply and push OK. And now let's check how our new table looks in the isometric drawing. And this is the result we have. So that's how you can change and customize the title block in your isometric drawings. We replaced the default table with our own and adjusted the drawing space to fit better. In the next videos, I'll show you how to link the line number directly into the table field. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to keep learning Plant 3D step by step.